Alright, so Jennifer is actually coming over and we're gonna have like a cute work day. I'm just gonna go pick up some lunch for both of us for when she arrives. It's actually kind of chilly in Vancouver today. I mean, compared to the past couple of days where it's been super, super warm. So let's go. What are you gonna wear tomorrow?
You know that like dress, that one black butterfly dress from Yes Style? I don't know.
It's her birthday tomorrow.
Oh, yes. I don't know if it'll still fit.
Oh, that's cute.
But I also have other options if not, because that's like kind of uncomfy. Like just stairs like all the way up.
Yeah.
And then you can like time, like there's like a timer thing, but I think I got the same thing as you, but like mushroom vibe.
Bon appetit. We decided to go to Granville Island today because the weather's so nice.
We're taking the ferry.
The ferry, yeah. Dude, it's so nice today. It's actually crazy.
The weather here usually isn't this nice until like later in the year, but
I brought the nice
it
weather.
was just for Amanda.
Each of us both done in a crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be us. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning.
We got gelato.
So excited! Wait,
We
you
need to
just
stop.
said we should stop.
I know. I got mojito and mixed berry.
Oh yes, please. Oh, sweet. Oh, smell it. It smells very good. Oh, you're still recording.
Okay, we spontaneously thought of the idea of maybe getting a busking permit and busking in Vancouver. Is that kind of crazy? We don't know, but we kind of want to. I was actually planning on when I was in Vancouver, like renting out a ukulele just for fun, because I couldn't bring it obviously. But Jennifer mentioned that someone was busking yesterday, and I was like, what if we did it? What if? So stay tuned. Like maybe we'll post on our Instagram stories for like a private little Doodle hooligan
A little concert.
campfire jam session. It would be kind of cute.
Oh, very cute.
Bye, Jennifer.
I'm leaving. My Uber is here.
Vroom vroom.
Whoa.
I got that on video.
Just trendy Vancouver girls.
Whoa, look at this. The sky.
Wait a damn minute.
You guys know I'm a vitamin fanatic. Today, me and Jennifer, we are gonna do something a little bit crazy. I actually can't believe we're doing this. So last night when I was talking to her, for some reason busking came up and we started talking about it as a joke. We were like, what if we just busked on the beach for fun and just, you know, played songs, jammed out. But then the more we talked about it, the more we were like, wait, that would be kind of fun. And it stopped being a joke. Like, we started researching into equipment and thinking of songs and all of that. And then now, here we are today because we are going to try to get a busking license from the city of Vancouver today. We're gonna go to the city of Vancouver and see what we can do. You actually have to fill out a full-on application and everything. So hopefully, if they're still allowing busking, because I know at the beginning of the pandemic, they stopped allowing buskers to perform because it encouraged large gatherings. But here in Vancouver, things are opening up, especially now that it's summer, so people can like spread out outdoors and everything. We're gonna try to see if we can get one. It's gonna be a very new experience. I will say that. I have never done anything like this before. You guys know I play music for fun. Like, I post small covers here and there on Instagram and stuff, but it's really all for fun. I don't consider myself a singer, really. So this will just be, it's kind of nerve-wracking a little bit, but I like to push myself. I'm up for a challenge, so if we can actually get the busking license, then that'll be hilarious. And we will also have to start practicing then. And then also I wanted to rent out a ukulele because I couldn't bring my ukulele to Vancouver. So we're gonna go to a music store and then see if I can rent one out. Partially for, you know, the busking practices, but also even before me and Jennifer spoke about that, I was thinking about renting one out because I wasn't able to bring one. So that'll be fun. That's today's musical journey. I can't believe this is happening. Guys, we're taking many L's today.
Whoa.
We're trying to find a bike rental place so that we can rent bikes, and I'm still gonna get my ukulele so we can still jam out and maybe do some unofficial busking, aka us just like sitting in a park. We're so hungry. Guys, success. We got the uke and Jennifer got a keyboard too. And now we're just in a park jamming out. It's so cute.
Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So we'll sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we're dead if you knew. So close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while.
I look like a traveler with my ukulele on my back.
Yeah.
Just a traveling band.
We actually just look like buskers.
Buskers. Wait, what do you mean we are buskers?
I mean,
for legal reasons, we're not actually busking.
for legal reasons, we are joking. But for non-legal reasons, we are just singing on the street.
Streets, yeah. After multiple L's today,
We achieved
big
a
W.
couple of big W's.
It was so fun, like chilling in the park.
Yeah. We
Jam
just, like,
session.
sang for like 2 hours.
Yeah.